Hi guys, Captain Ben Beecher here at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Today we're on a 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Come around to the back of the boat here. You see this one actually has the safety rail, so place for your fenders right here. Then you got this nice little chain. Take this off, connect it across here, so you have a safety rail. And depending on state laws, I know in the state of Missouri, they will consider it okay to sit and ride in the back of the boat here. All the boats on and running with this safety rail system and the chain across that. So nice system, and it attaches right there to the ski pylon. Speaking of ski pylon, you have a 300 horsepower Mercury outboard here. Give you plenty of power on this 25-foot tri-tube. Coming into the back of the boat here, you'll see some speakers down low, independently zoned, so you can listen to the music while you're out behind the boat. And then plenty of storage underneath these seats. And underneath this one, it is an insulated drainable storage, so it can double up as a cooler. Okay, coming into the boat here, you can see this is a single lounger package, so got an L-shaped lounger with the swing back backrest. So, meaning you can flip it back this way and have a nice rear-facing lounger, or this lifts from the center, drops down, you have a nice full sun pad at the back of the boat. Flip it forward, once again back into your lounger mode. This nice L-shaped lounger. Fold down armrests. And of course, trash cans for the empties. Over here at the helm, you have a high back seat with flip up bolster armrest and reclinable. Have the new Mercury shift system. You have the Simrad glass dash Go 9 and upgraded JL audio system with amp and sub. At the front of the boat here, you'll see you have the in-floor storage, so additional storage in this one, storage behind here, and underneath storage of all of these seats with the flip-up armrests. Also, this one has the movable ottoman right here, so you can move that around wherever you need. Ottoman does double up as a cooler as well. Final thing, you have 3 entry points on this boat, entry and exit, so you have the front, side, and rear entry and exit. Basically, anywhere you're able to dock, you can get on and off the boat with no problem. Once again, Ben Beecher at MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. Thank you for taking the time to go through this 2023 Harris 250 Sunliner. Thanks. Have a great day.